The main difference between TQQ and QQQ lies in their price fluctuations over time. TQQ exhibits significantly higher price fluctuations, whereas QQQ has lesser fluctuations, making it a more stable option in this regard. Additionally, QQQ has a lower service fee, with an expense ratio of 0.20%, compared to TQQQ's 0.9% rate, making QQQ a more cost-friendly option. However, in terms of performance, TQQ generates higher returns than QQQ, with a 17.44% return rate since the beginning of the year, surpassing QQQ's rate by 0.84%. This margin increases to 18.12% when comparing their annual return-based performance over the past decade, with TQQQ's annualized returns averaging 36.22% and QQQ's averaging 18.10%. Despite their differences, both TQQ and QQQ have experienced massive drawdowns of at least 80.00% at some point, which had a detrimental impact on their portfolios. As an investor seeking to maximize profits while minimizing expenses, the choice between TQQ and QQQ depends on individual priorities. While QQQ offers low expense ratios and investment risk, its returns are also lower. In contrast, TQQQ's high return performance comes with higher management expenses. Ultimately, the decision between the two funds depends on whether the investor values stability and low costs, or is willing to take on higher expenses for potentially higher returns. It is essential to note that the information provided is accurate as of the current date and is subject to change in the future.